Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the endocrine case-based review of the endocrine case that present in inpatient and outpatient internal medicine, adrenal insufficiency, and the incidental thyroid hypothyroidism nodules, spirals, PCOS, and no disclosures. Case 1 treatment of the adrenal crisis, hydrocortisone 100 mg followed by the 50 mg IV volume and once stabilized when the steroid to lower dose. 4 then to PO maintenance doses are the individual 2 to 3 divided doses 15 to 25 mg per day. Cortisone acetate 20 to 35 mg per day in 2 to 3 divided doses. Prednisolone 3 to 5 mg per day. Fludrocortisones required if aldosterone deficiency. Adrenal insufficiency, patient education, sick day rule, steroid emergency card or medical alert identification, glucocorticoids injection kit and education on use. Follow with the endocrine at least once per year. 62 am present for follow-up of the SOB pneumonia, recent hospitalization, CT scan, chest found incidental to centimeter or adrenal nodules, HTN, hyperlipidemia, obesity, HCTZ, ACE, CCB, BP is between 144 by 88 hour, HR heart rate is the 85, BMI is the 34 and the significant for the central obesity otherwise unremarkable. What should you do to evaluate adrenal incidentaloma? No further work up is needed. Assess for hypersteronism and assess of the hyperaldosteronism and for the subclinical crushing, subclinical FEO, assesses for the subclinical Cushing and what should do the evaluate an adrenal. No further workup needed. Assess for the hyperaldosteronism, assess of the subclinical Cushing, evaluation of the adrenal nodules. Need the hormonal evaluation to rule out crushing, MN, salivary cortisols 1 mg dx support test, plasma free metaepinephrine 24 hours urine, metaepinephrine hyperlido HTN or electrolyte abnormalities to suggest renin and aldo screen. Imaging low house filled unit reassuring that it is begin the adenoma and if looks begins on imaging and not producing hormones. There are the what is the most likely cause of the symptoms Graves' disease, thyroiditis, overactive nodules, thyroid hormone ingestion. What is the most likely cause of the her symptoms Graves' disease, thyroiditis, overactive nodules, thyroid hormone ingestion. And how do you determine etiology of the thyrotoxicosis? Historically uptake and scan have been first step in evaluation. Two-part uptake normal 10 to 30%. Scan is a picture of thyroid and hot and cold nodules. Uptake will also help identify whether the thiazolamides will work and high uptake state can be treated with the antithyroid medications. Hyperthyroid states high uptake Graves' disease most common cause in young of to middle age. In today class I discuss about various case for the thyroid disease and thank you for